It's Yasu from Japan. Thank you so much for visiting our channel. Keiken-san. And for joining me for another super excited video. Are you guys ready for having happy experience? If you are new to our channel, please make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. And don't forget to turn on the notification so that you'll be notified every time we uploaded a new video. Aww. I really appreciate you guys being here and stay tuned. Enjoy the video.
Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to our video.
Everyone, hello amigo. ¿Cómo
Konnichiwa. Ohayo gozaimasu. So, hi. Magandang hapon. I'm teacher Avi, and here with me is...
私はYasuです。I'm Yasu from Japan.
And Avi from the Philippines.
はい、よろしくお願いします。
Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. And today we're here for...
What?
What
is that?
I don't have any idea, but what I know is that I'm excited.
Wow. And I'm actually more excited than you.
Really, sir? But I'm not going to share it to you. This is all mine.
Oh, wow. Okay.
No, sir. Open. But anyway, so first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you. Thank you very much po. So, Sir Yasu, yes, my Santa Claus every year.
Yes.
Thank you very
Santa
much.
Claus actually, yes, got a booking. And I heard that he dramatically, yes, made a big mistake. Yes, he was supposed to come to your place December, but yes, he mistakenly checked the schedule. So that's
Really?
what he did.
I thought Santa Claus made a big mistake and dropped it to me instead of dropping it to somebody else's house.
Yes. So no one knows if you're gonna have another gift from the Santa Claus on December or not. Yes, as of now, but I hope yes he will. Yes, he will give another one. Yes.
Wow, that's nice to hear. That sounds like music. Ready? So, sir, let me open it. Oh!
Oh! That's another big surprise.
Wait. This is getting more interesting.
Maybe Santa Claus is pretty good at protecting you from the virus. So he maybe made some extra careful action, right? Yes.
Hi, here it comes.
Wow! Oh, and the favorite color blue, right? Oh, see?
Sir, it's like blue day today.
Yes, blue day.
Blue day today.
Right, my smartphone case. Blue.
But sir, do you know that my son's favorite color is blue?
That's what I was talking about.
But this is not for him, right?
Hey son, this is actually for you, not for your mom.
Okay. Shh, this is a secret. I'll keep it from
Yes, you're gonna play janken pong with your son, right? Yes.
mine only.
Okay.
Just kidding.
Wow.
Okay.
Your mom is so strict. Okay, here comes.
1, 2.
2, 3, どうぞ.
Wait, it's closed more tightly. ちょっと待ってね.
Yes.
なんで
Because the Santa Claus knows he's very good at security, right? Yes. The delivery guy or someone else will maybe will take something else. So that's why he really tied very strictly.
Sir, something is written po.
Oh yes, a fancy, lovely message on the package. Yes.
Alright. So this
Right.
says to Avi.
Yes, that's right. That's right.
Okay.
Let's see the inside.
Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Wait, want. Can I just close my eyes? Let's go.
Whoa!
Oh,
Oh
a lot. There's a lot.
my
Ito,
God.
what's
Hey,
it?
son, come over here. Yes, there are a lot of things
Okay,
special
wow.
for you.
Nice. Okay, wait. Shut
Oh
up.
my God.
Try one. Uh, sir, you know that I love furikake.
Sukiyaki, the barbecue taste. Oh, no. Sukiyaki taste. Sorry, not barbecue.
Sukiyaki. Well, okay. And then これは Doraemon.
Yes, right? Because, yes, you also have a chance to hang out with the kids students. So, yes, maybe that'll be really catchy.
Well, this is very timely, sir. And I also get nori.
It is, yes. So you can practice making a rice bowl, onigiri, right?
Onigiri, sir. And sir, actually here in the Philippines, there is this popular kind of baked sushi.
Yes, I actually saw it. So you actually just put in the microwave, right?
Yes, sir. I made one.
Yes. Yes, recently watched some YouTubes, and one of the Japanese YouTuber, yes, he actually live in the Philippines, and yes, he bought that things, and he was actually making some experiment. Yes.
Sir, you know what? I'm shaking right now. Yeah, shaking right now. I'm shaking with excitement. Oh, sir, thank you. I'm good. I'm able. Will be able to make baked sushi again.
Yes,
Oh.
for tonight, right? The dinner, yes, you can make some, or the baked sushi, or even the rest.
Yes po. When you come to the Philippines, I'll invite you and then I'll let you taste my baked sushi.
Wow. Okay,
Thank
now
you.
I'm gonna also make my a traditional Japanese sushi.
Oh, that's much better, I think. Wait! That's the what's in it!
Hey, Sam!
Nani
You're gonna join us. Oh, that's a special one. Isn't
Wait.
amazing? The matcha and mochi rice cake, the beautiful combination.
Mochi?
Yes.
Wait.
Matcha mochi. When you see, right, the kanji, 2 kanjis and 2 hiragana. I think you can read mochi, right? Hiragana.
これだけです。
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, if only I can eat, but later po. I'll save it for later. Hi, I'm excited.
You can eat something now if you want. Yes.
Really? But wait, I'm gonna make myself more excited po. So,
okay.
Correct. Oh!
Yes.
Is
You can also memorize the how do you say the animals, right, in Japanese.
Yes, sir. これはて
Tabeko.
Tabeko to.
Tabeko means taberu and kodomo, right? The combination is combined words. Yes.
Oh, cute. I can show this to my student.
That's for your son, actually.
Hi, dame.
You gotta hurry up. Yeah,
Okay,
mama is
here,
taking everything.
Here.
All right.
Hi, Tsugi. Oh, wow.
What else?
Sir, これは何?
I also I've never tried that one. Yes, it looks like that's the brand new. Yes, or maybe that's the white chocolate ice cream cookie.
I thought there's ice cream inside. Ice cream from Japan. But this may taste like milk.
That's the frozen ice cream. So gonna put it in the microwave.
Okay, microwavable ice cream. That's interesting. Hi. Okay, so that's also for me.
Oh, maybe Son is already pissing off. Yes, they're right next to you.
He's crying. No, just kidding. Sir, Kitty-chan.
That's only for you, man. Yes, because of Kitty-chan.
I want Kitty-chan. これは雨ですか?
So, because you sometimes gonna handle a lot of lessons consecutively. Right? So maybe you're gonna use the food a lot. So maybe in the middle of the lesson you can eat candies.
I'm gonna put it here, just beside.
Yes, yes, that's right, that's right.
Hi, thank you very much. This is okay. I love Kitty-chan.
はい、キティち
はい。
ゃんいいです。
じゃあ次は、これは、マリオ、トゥルットゥットゥ。
That's absolutely for your son, right? Yes.
Okay, here you go.
Okay, Mario ね。Yes.
これも、Okay, sir, this one. I think this is
That's chewing gum ね。Yes.
これは chewing
Yes, gum.
gum.
Yes. Actually, if we chew gum, right, sometimes, yes, yeah, while we're working, it's actually maximize the concentration. So, yes, if you do something else aside from teaching, right, TJIP, maybe you can chew gums. Yes.
It stimulates.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, this goes here beside me also.
Right. Or maybe your husband. Yes.
Okay, he needs to concentrate. Cute, kawaii.
Hi. So this especially that the stick, ne? Yes.
Yeah.
Looks like really yes, funny. Yes. Every time if one of your family members doing some naughty behaviors, you can actually use that hook, right? Like if and you're gonna hook that the person's or like sleep or any product that
Come here.
like a captain hook, right? Yes.
Yes, sir. So this will stay here forever. So I can use this also for my classes after finishing.
Or if you feel like a little dizzy and your muscle is or like a pain, you can actually use like the massage.
Massage or it's no. So sir, this is what? A cane. I can use this for teaching also.
And right. When you also dive into the ocean, right? The skill for scuba diving.
What do you call this? Snorkel.
Multifunctional tools. Yes.
Okay. じゃあ次。これは何ですか？これは何？
Actually, maybe you're gonna find maybe like a 3 the rounded or the bowl shaped or the snacks, and maybe one of them is maybe super maybe spicy or kind of really dangerous snacks but it's pretty funny, right? So maybe you have with your husband and your son. Yes, you guys can pick one simultaneously. You're gonna eat it, right? It's gonna be pretty fun. And just one of you will have a bomb.
This one is interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this. Yes, Pop. So we can use it for playing games, like a punishment for the game, right?
That's right. Yes, but no one knows. Yes, I don't even know.
Look at this hand.
Your son is ready.
Yes, he's ready. But yeah, these will stay here beside me.
All right.
Oh.
Hi. So it took me like 3 hours because all handwriting, right? Yes. I don't do this one. Yes.
Yes, it actually is more sentimental when you do the writing, when it's handwritten.
Hi.
Do I have to read it?
Oh, really?
Wait.
You can show us, right? Yes, a little bit the flow. Yes.
Dear Avi, for your eyes only. It says my eyes only. This is very sweet. Thank you very much.
Oh, I forgot to put the letter for your son. Maybe next time.
He's very excited also. He's very excited. Thank you very much. Oh, nice. Wait. Hi, thank you so much, sir. Arigatou gozaimashita. I really, really love them. Thank you so much, po.
I really hope you guys are not gonna have fight, right? Right after we turn off the record. Hey Tom, this is for me. So told you, right? Yes, this is for me, not for you.
No, I mean we have a lot, so we're gonna share.
Yes. I want you guys to peacefully just share. Yes. Anything you guys want.
He's giving me everything. Come on. Okay, so thank you very much, Sir Yasu. You don't know.
Hi. Always, your family's happiness is my happiness.
That's very sweet, po. Hi.
Thank
you. I was happy. Thank you.